Hurricane Erin dey waka go north, but e don already cause wahala for Atlantic coastline, including North Carolina Outer Banks. Scientists for University of Oxford don develop one kind superfood wey fit help honeybees survive climate change and lack of habitat. Dis one na good news. We go hear the full gist for today tori. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and make you still share give your friends make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for world. Hurricane Erin dey waka go north, but e don already cause wahala for Atlantic coastline, including North Carolina Outer Banks. National Hurricane Center talk say tropical storm condition go still dey North Carolina today and e go reach Virginia soon. Dem warn say Erin na big hurricane wey still dey grow with wind wey reach 105 mph. National Weather Service add say dangerous surf and rip current fit drag pipo enter sea. Dem beg beach pipo make dem follow lifeguard and local authority instruction. For North Carolina, Governor Josh Stein don declare state of emergency, beg swimmers make dem comot from water after dem rescue plenty pipo for Wrightville Beach. Some communities like Hatteras and Ocracoke don even get evacuation order as storm fit cut dem off from other islands. Erin na the first hurricane for 2025 Atlantic season. E don reach category 5 before, now e dey category 2. But weather experts still dey warn say dis year hurricane plenty because of hot sea water wey climate change dey cause. US President Donald Trump don change mind on the 250% tariff wey e bin wan put for pharmaceutical and semiconductor products from European Union. Last month, Trump talk say these two sectors no dey inside the handshake trade deal with EU, but new details wey drop Thursday show say dem go join the agreement. Now, instead of 250% and 100% tariff, na 15% dem go pay, same like most other goods inside the deal. But the 27.5% tariff on European cars still dey ground until EU gree remove all tariff on US industrial goods. Ireland and other European countries wey dey export plenty medicine to US don happy say the wahala reduce. Ireland Deputy Prime Minister Simon Harris talk say the 15% rate go protect exporters like dem, and dem still dey hope for more relief. From September 1st, US go apply 15% tariff for most European goods, while EU go remove tariff totally on US industrial exports, including food items like pork, bison meat, nuts and fresh fruits. EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen say all deal go bring stability for business and consumers, while US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick describe am as big win for American workers. Dis new agreement na the first step, and both sides dey expect more talks as the partnership dey grow. WH Smith share price don crash by 42% on Thursday after dem discover one serious accounting blunder wey make the company overstate profit to North America. The mistake come from how dem record suppliers money too early, and e don force dem to cut their profit forecast from £55 million to £25 million. Now, the whole group dey expect pre-tax profit around £110 million instead of wetin dem first plan. The company don call Deloitte auditors make dem review the error, and dem promise say dem go give full gist when dem release full year results. Analysts dey call am huge embarrassment and say investors no dey happy at all. Dis wahala bad well well because North America na the main place wey WH Smith dey plan to grow after dem sell the UK high street shops earlier this year to Modela Capital. Na why WH Smith name no dey British streets again. E don change to TG Jones. Now, WH Smith dey focus only on travel shops for airports, train stations and hospitals. But experts say the US mistake don spoil the fresh start wey dem dey plan. Wetin make am worse be say WH Smith dey face strong competition for North America from big names like Walmart. German prosecutors don confirm say dem arrest one Ukrainian man Serhiy K for Italy over suspicion say e join plan wey blow up di Nord Stream gas pipelines for Baltic Sea for 2022. Di arrest happen for Rimini and dem believe say di man dey among di team wey use yacht from German port of Rostock waka reach near Bornholm Island for Denmark before dem plant di explosives. Di blast wey happen September 26, 2022 cut off one major gas supply to Europe. Just as energy wahala dey hot because of Russia war, Nord Stream 1 don already dey supply Europe, while Nord Stream 2 never start before Germany cancel am. Nobody claim responsibility for the attack. Russia accuse US and UK, while Western countries dey look Russia side. Reports last year even point fingers say na Ukrainian divers hire yacht take carry out di job. Prosecutors tok say di man go face judge once Italy finish di extradition. For now, no clear evidence link Ukraine, Russia or any government directly to di sabotage. Former NASA engineer wey turn YouTube star Mark Rober don land fresh Netflix deal. Di 45-year-old wey get more than 70 million subscribers dey known for im science and technology videos. Dis new series na competition show wey Rober dey create with Jimmy Kimmel production company. Kimmel tok say Rober dey among di brightest creators and im style of video dey clever, inventive and still dey teach people. Rober dey follow other YouTubers wey Netflix carry before like Miss Rachel and British group The Sideman. Miss Rachel move her children's show enter Netflix earlier this year, while Sideman reality show Inside don also show for the platform. Media consultant Joe Redfern explain say the reason why Netflix dey run after YouTubers na because dem don already build strong fan base and dem sabi produce, direct and edit by themselves, skills wey no too plenty for traditional TV people. Unlike Miss Rachel wey just carry her YouTube show come Netflix, Rober go develop totally new program for young audience. The move still show how YouTubers dey try expand because if YouTube algorithm change, e fit scatter their income. Na why many of dem dey branch out go platforms like Netflix and Disney+. Plenty pipo wey dey use Elon Musk AI chatbot Grok don shock as dem discover say over 300,000 conversations dey open for Google search and most users no even know. The wahala start because anytime person press share button for Grok, e dey create one unique link. Instead of only the person wey you wan share with to see am, the chat come dey show for Google search result. Report show say some of the leaked chats get sensitive things like people dey ask Grok to generate secure password, meal plan for weight loss, medical advice and even illegal instructions on how to make class A drug. Tech experts don warn say dis kind thing na serious privacy disaster because e fit expose private details like names, location, health matter and even business secrets. Dem talk say once dis chats enter internet, e go dey there forever. Forbes first report say e pass 370,000 conversations wey already don show online. Dis one no be the first time wey AI company dey enter hot water for dis kind issue. OpenAI recently stop one experiment wey make ChatGPT chats appear for search engines, and earlier dis year, Meta AI own chat sef appear public by mistake. And the last one for today na better news. Scientists for University of Oxford don develop one kind superfood wey fit help honeybees survive climate change and lack of habitat. Trial show say bee colonies wey chop dis food born up to 15 times more pikin bees wey grow reach adulthood. Honeybees dey important because dem dey pollinate about 70% of world crops. Professor Geraldine Wright wey lead the research talk say dis breakthrough dey give bees all the nutrients wey dem need to survive, especially when pollen no dey enough. For UK and US, beekeepers don dey lose plenty colonies. Some say even when hive full of food, bees just dey disappear. Normally, bees dey survive on pollen, nectar and honey, but the substitute food wey beekeepers dey give dem no dey complete with correct nutrients. After 15 years of work, Professor Wright's team finally use gene editing to create yeast wey produce the 6 sterols wey bees need. With the superfood, bees for the lab survive better and even produce more. Wright say the food go help especially during summer periods wey flowers stop to produce early. If bees get complete nutrition, dem go dey healthy more and dey less open to disease. Na the tori be dat for today and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.